Okay, now that we have collected the entire array of RSS feed that natively our channels allow us to use, there are a bunch of other channels that do not allow us to use native feeds. Like for example, Google Plus, which is a domain authority of 100, Twitter, which is also a domain authority of 100, and FeedBurner. I'm going to show you how to use FeedBurner to power up your RSS feed as well. So let me show you how to get a feed from each of these websites, and we're going to be using third-party tools because again, these websites do not allow native feeds, so we need to do some workaround to get them. So let's start with Twitter. There's a site called tweetrss.me, tweetrss.me, and this will allow us to get our Twitter RSS feed. So it's really straightforward, guys. Here you put your Twitter username. On this case, gonna be Semantic Mastery. Boom. I'm gonna click on Fetch RSS, and this is going to bring the RSS feed for the last, say, 10 to 15 tweets, which is more than enough. Okay, for our intentions, it's more than enough. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it on my little notepad right here. So there we have our Twitter RSS feed. Then let's dive into how to get the Google Plus user feed. This is a really good website that's called plusfeed.frosas.net. plusfeed.frosas.net, and these are all links that I'm gonna leave on the resources below this video or near this video. So here the user ID is the same process that with Twitter RSS. Now what we want to use here is our page user ID or our page ID or our page vanity name. This is really important. You do not want to use a personal name. You want to use your page name because page are usually publics and personal names are private. So on this case, again, I'm going to use Semantic Mastery. Right here, I'm going to get the feed. Boom. There we have the feed, and this is a pretty nice looking feed that we can use also as well to syndicate out. So I'm going to copy this. I'm gonna paste it over here. Now, last but not least, let me show you how to do this with FeedBurner. Now, FeedBurner will require you, since it's a Google property, will require you to be logged in. My recommendation when it comes to using FeedBurner is that you use your page login, the one that you have learned how to do, to use your page login to actually log in into FeedBurner. That way you will have a blank slate account. On this case, I'm going to use mine for the sake of speed. But again, when you are prompted to log in into Google, I would suggest that you go ahead and you use your own your page login. Okay. So in this case, you won't see anything of these when you're starting out. I'm going to burn a feed right this instant. I'm going to put semanticmastery.com. Let me put this one, semanticmastery.com/feed. I'm going to click on next. Then it's going to tell me, okay, let us burn a feed for you. The feed title is going to be Semantic Mastery, and the feed address is going to be Semantic Mastery as well. So let's see if that's available. There we go. So this is the RSS feed that we want to save. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to save it on my notepad as well. So this is another feed that I can use to power up my current RSS feed. Now, let's skip directly to feed management real quick, and I'm going to show you how to optimize and have and even power up more your FeedBurner feed. So here I'm going to click on optimize, and here I want to go to smart feed and activate. This is going to make the feed compatible with any feed reader application. And this has proven to increase the rate of indexation of FeedBurner, and in turn that will increase the index rate of our website as well. So then I can go to publicize. Here I'm gonna put ping shot and activate. This is going to ping feedburner.google.com is going to ping the RSS some services every time your feed changes, which is going to be every time you post something, because again, this is being burned from your own feed. So if I click here, I'm gonna see the RSS feed for Semantic Mastery. Okay, so here we have the title, we have an embed, we have some call to actions, we have we have the different internal links that we can have here, and this is a Google property. This is a super valuable property, and this is feedburner.google.com. So I'm gonna copy this and save it here. Well, I already have it. And then on the next video, I'm going to show you what to do with all of these feeds and what you can do with all of these feeds to power them up as well. So let's dive into the next video.